Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing posture and engaging breath support. This changes tone instantly. Breathe with your diaphragm. Inhale for 4 seconds, then exhale for 6, and repeat 3-5 times. Once done, perform humming and lip trills for 1 to 2 minutes to warm vocal folds and reduce tension. Make sure to relax jaw and tongue as you go. These first actions lower strain, increase resonance, and give you better control, so begin speaking only after you feel relaxed and supported. Now focus on pitch and resonance. You'll shape tone deliberately. First, find a comfortable mid-low pitch that doesn't strain. This projects warmth and authority. Then move resonance forward by imagining vibrations in your nose and cheek area. You should feel a mask resonance. Once you have that placement, practice 5 short sentences, varying tempo, volume, and pitch by about 10 to 20%. Make sure to connect breath to each phrase. That coordination keeps tone steady and prevents pushing or breathiness. Finish by refining pacing and checking for consistency. Speak with intentional pauses of 1 to 2 seconds to add emphasis and clarity. Record 3 takes of the same passage, listen back, and note which take has the tone you want. Then replicate its breath, pitch, and resonance. If you hit roughness or strain, stop and reset. Lower pitch slightly, breathe deeply, and do a quick lip trill. Make sure to hydrate and rest your voice between sessions so improvements stick and fatigue doesn't return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.